So in this video, I want to talk about the relationship between zinc and your liver. Zinc is probably one of the most important minerals for the liver, and here's why. When you look at the symptoms from a zinc deficiency, they're identical to the symptoms of a liver problem. And I'm talking about a liver that's dysfunctional, like if it's inflamed or there's scar tissue, as in cirrhosis. When people have a liver problem, they usually get loss of appetite, the loss of body hair, altered taste and smell. Now, it could be because you're deficient in zinc, testicular atrophy, your immune system is impaired, you have decreased ability to detoxify drugs from your body. You can get ascites, you have this protruded stomach because the liver is leaking fluid into a sac around the stomach. A deficiency of zinc can increase your risk for liver cancer, inflammation in the liver, and a lot of skin problems. The question is it the chicken or the egg? Does a zinc deficiency cause the liver to create these symptoms, or is it the liver damage that's creating these symptoms as well as creating a zinc deficiency? Well, that's very hard to tell because we do know in an isolated situation, a zinc deficiency, for example, will create low testosterone and testicular atrophy. But if the liver is damaged, you're not going to be able to get rid of estrogen, and you're going to get high levels of estrogen, which is indirectly going to cause a low testosterone situation. But what we do know is all these symptoms right here could be a zinc deficiency, or it could be a problem with your liver. And by getting more zinc in your diet or taking it in the supplement form, you can reduce these symptoms right here and even sometimes prevent them, as well as protect the liver. If you're not familiar with what foods are high in zinc, shellfish is at the top of the list. Beef liver, beef in general, lamb, other meats, seeds, nuts, dairy products, eggs. There is zinc in whole wheat, but the problem is the bran in wheat products prevents the absorption of zinc because it has something called phytates. So of course, to get the zinc, you want to avoid all grains as well as sugar, because when you consume sugar, you deplete zinc. Unfortunately, a lot of people have a zinc deficiency and they don't know it. We don't retain zinc very well. If you're not consuming zinc from the diet, chances are you're going to be somewhat deficient, and it's going to start on a gradient. And you may not even notice a full-blown deficiency until later, because some of the subclinical or subtle signs of a zinc deficiency could be like fatigue and weakness and lethargy that you may associate it with something else. If you have any liver problem or any attention that you potentially could have a liver problem, make sure you have enough zinc in your diet, because that's very, very important, if not the most important mineral to support a healthy liver.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.